Hi, and welcome to the December update for the Gordie Howe International Bridge Project, Part 1. My name is Bob Jones. The construction of the bridge has come a long way since they broke ground on July 17, 2018. In this two-part update, we will recap the bridge design and the ports of entry for both the Canadian and U.S. borders, as well as the progress made since November update. I hope you enjoy the update. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and share to support the channel. To those that have, thanks. I do appreciate your being here. Let's get started. The U.S. point of entry is approximately 68 hectares, or 167 acres. It will have inbound border inspection facilities for both passenger and commercial vehicles, and outbound inspection facilities and commercial exit control booths. Once constructed, the Canadian and U.S. ports of entry will be one of the largest ports of entry in North America. The Canadian port of entry is approximately 53 hectares, or 130 acres site. It will have inbound border inspection facilities for both passenger and commercial vehicles and outbound inspections facilities. Canada will have toll collection facilities for both the U.S. bound and Canadian bound traffic, and the maintenance facility. This will be the largest Canadian port along the Canada-U.S. border. The Gordie Howe Bridge is a cable-stayed design. It will have 6 lanes, 3 Canadian bound, 3 U.S. bound, and a 12-foot wide pedestrian path for walking and bikes. The total length is approximately 2.5 kilometers or 1.5 miles. It has a clear span of 853 meters, or a little over half a mile, the longest main span of any cable-stayed bridge in North America. There are no piers in the water. There are approach bridges on either side of the crossing to connect the ports of entry in Canada and the U.S. Once complete, the Gordie Howe International Bridge will be among the top 5 longest bridges in North America. I hope you enjoyed the visuals in this part of the December update. Part 2 shows progress on the Canadian Tower. I hope to see you there. This is Bob Jones. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.